How to fix if your Moto G77 is not turned on. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so you will see restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. At that time, you will see restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on again settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if your Moto G77 is not turning on. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.